Good morning, class. We begin with the synthesis of sentences. Now, the word synthesis means joining of two sentences, two or more sentences. Now, a simple sentence is given, and you are supposed to make a new sentence out of the two, three which are given. So, either you combine them in a simple way, a complex way, or in a compound way. So, the first heading that we do is joining two or more simple sentences to form a simple sentence. That means, in spite of joining two simple sentences, yet you are joining it in such a way that they are a simple sentence only. For example, and the methods in which you use for joining is by using a participle. Now, the first video which I had sent you deals with the explanation of this. Okay. All you need to remember is that they are to be used by using a participle, that means ing word, then by using a noun or noun phrase in apposition. That means there will be a noun present which will be helping in joining, or a noun phrase. Then by using participle with its independent subject, that means again a participle is ing word and its independent subject, that is the independently talked about work. Like, it was dark, we decided to call a halt to the work. It being dark, we decided to call a halt to the work. And you have joined these two sentences together. Then the other method is by using infinitives. Now, infinitives are the two words, that is TO2, right? That means, like here, you see, to teach, went to the market to buy, to talk. So, infinitives. By using infinitives, you have joined these sentences. Then, by using an adverb or an adverbial phrase, that means presence of an adverb or adverbial phrase would be there for joining it. Here it is helplessly. Okay, save the honor of the country at the cost of his life. Now, by using a prepositional phrase containing a noun or a gerund. A prepositional phrase, that means it will have a preposition and it will have a noun or a gerund. Gerund is what? Which acts as a noun, which appears in a sentence as a noun. Okay. In fact, it is a verb. Okay. Now, coming on to the first exercise, combine the sentences of each pair into one simple sentence by using a participle. The participle may have its independent subject also. Okay, so we begin with the first sentence. He was knocked down by a bus. He was admitted to the hospital. Now join it together. Having been knocked down by a bus, having been knocked down by a bus, he was admitted to the hospital. Number two, Meera pressed the button. She waited for the lift. Answer, pressing the button, comma, Meera waited for the lift. Pressing the button, comma, Meera waited for the lift. Number three, she was first in the race. She was selected for the Asian Games. Join it together. Having come first in the race, comma, she was selected for the Asian Games. I repeat, having come first in the race, comma, she was selected for the Asian Games. Number four, he took the dog for a walk around the block. He enjoyed himself. Now join it together. Taking the dog for a walk around the block, comma, he enjoyed himself. He will be small this time, okay? Number five, the price of cars has come down. He thought of buying one. Answer, the price of cars having come down, comma, he thought of buying one. Number six, he wrote the letters, he posted them. Combine them. Having written the letters, comma, he posted them. Number 7, they lost the match. They had to come back to their country. Answer, having lost the match, comma, they had to come back to their country. Number 8, she was late. She was not allowed to attend the function. Answer, being late, she was not allowed to attend the function. Number 9, he battled typhoid for 2 weeks, then he came out of it. Answer, having battled typhoid for 2 weeks, comma, he came out of it. Number 10.
मैम ये नहीं है ब्लैक
Oh God, look at this child. We were going in the car. We saw a lion crossing the road. Answer, going in the car, comma, we saw a lion crossing the road. Take the sentences that you'll do. 3, 6, 10. Come to B exercise. Use a noun or noun phrase in a position to combine the sentences of each pair into a simple sentence. First one, he said nothing in defense of Mukesh. Mukesh is his friend. Now answer, he said nothing in defense of Mukesh, his friend. Mukesh, his friend, it's a noun phrase. Next, Radha is my sister. She likes to go climbing most weekends. Answer, Radha, comma, my sister, comma, likes to go climbing most weekends. Number 3, she didn't allow Mohit to participate in the dance competition. Mohit is her son. Answer, she didn't allow Mohit, her son, comma, to participate in the dance competition. I repeat, she didn't allow Mohit, her son, to participate in the dance competition. Number 4, Ireland is one of the fastest growing economies. It is in Western Europe. Answer, Ireland in Western Europe. Ireland, comma, in Western Europe, comma, is one of the fastest growing economies. Number 5, Panchatantra is a book of stories. It is popular among children. Answer, Panchatantra, comma, popular among children is a book of the story. I repeat, Panchatantra, comma, popular among children, comma, is a book of stories. Mark the sentences that you'll do, 3, 4, and 5. Come to C exercise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the answer of the B fourth one?
Ireland, comma, in Western Europe, comma, is one of the fastest growing economies.
Okay, ma'am.
The exercise. Use an infinitive to combine the sentences of each pair into a simple sentence. Now, I have visited a few places recently. I wanted to write a travelogue. Answer, I wanted to write a travelogue about the few places I have visited recently. Number 2, he is very weak. He cannot run. Answer, he is very weak to run. Number 3, I was very furious. I couldn't contain myself. Answer, I was very furious. to contain myself. Number 4, she'll hear about your success. She'll be happy. Answer, she'll be happy to hear about your success. Number 5, the house is big. It can accommodate all of us. Answer, the house is big enough to accommodate all of us. Number 6, I don't have enough money. I can't buy a house. Answer, I don't have enough money to buy a house. Number 7, he'll not speak to his principal. He is scared. Answer, he is scared to speak to his principal. Number 8, he wants admission in JNU. He is studying hard. Answer, he is studying hard to get admission in JNU. Number 9, I have 2 brothers. I have to look after them. Combine them. I have 2 brothers to look after. Number 10, he will join politics. It is expected. Answer, it is expected of him to join politics. Take the exercises that you'll do. Number 4, number 5, number 9. Come to D exercise. Use an adverb or a prepositional phrase to join the sentences in each
Excuse me, ma'am.
a simple sentence. Number 1, join the 2 sentences. Use a conjunction to join them. Now, answer, using a conjunction, comma, join in the 2 sentences. Join the 2 sentences. Join in nahi hai, sorry. Join the 2 sentences. Number 2, take the other road, you will reach earlier. Answer, taking the other road will help you reach earlier. Number 3, he is lazy, he got poor marks. Answer, he is lazy, therefore he got poor marks. Number 4, she failed twice. She continued her efforts to become an engineer. Answer, she continued her efforts to become an engineer despite failing twice. Despite, D-E-S-P-I-T-E, despite failing twice. Number 5, they allowed Sheila to take the test. I requested them. Answer, I requested them to allow Sheila to take the test. Number 6, having earned a lot of money, he earned a lot of money, he invests in the property market. Combine it. Having earned a lot of money, he invests in the property market. After money, there's a comma. I repeat, having earned a lot of money, comma, he invests in the property market. Number 7, Mrinal is very honest. His honesty cannot be doubted. Answer, Mrinal's honesty cannot be doubted. Please put a tick mark on the sentences that you'll do. 4th, 5th, and 6th. Okay? We stop here for today. In our next class, we will do the next. Okay. Him to the hospital. We didn't waste time. Let us join it. Without wasting time, comma, we rushed him to the hospital. Next, number 9, he decided to change the company. His decision was wise. Answer, Deciding to change the company was a wise decision. Please put a tick mark on 9th one also. Deciding to change the company was a wise decision. Next, number 10, he'll win the election, it is certain. Answer, his winning the elections is certain. Clear? We stop here for today.